Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutor Age. So today we are going to see exercise 7.3 in your NCERT syllabus. Okay, so now we will get into the video. So we will see the first sum. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? So you have to check whether all these fractions are equivalent. See the first sum. One part is shaded, one part is not shaded. So out of two part, one part is shaded. Okay, that is 1 by 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 part, 2 parts are shaded. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 part, 3 parts are shaded. If you check, see here 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And then see here out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8 part, 4 parts are shaded. So now write 1 by 2, comma 2 by 4. If you simplify it, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 3 by 6 also, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 4 by 8, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So everywhere the fractions are equal, right? So these fractions are equal is your answer. Hope you understand. Now we will move on to the next sum. See here 1, 2, these big dots with holes are not shaded. One with small dots are shaded. So you can count 4, 8, 12. So out of 12, 4 parts are shaded. If you simplify it, 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12. You get 1 by 3. Okay, here 3, 6, 9. Out of 9 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again you get 1 by 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is randomly arranged. So 2 out of 6. So 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is out of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 out of 15. Here everywhere it is 1 by 3, but here alone it is 6 by 15. So the fractions are not equivalent. Okay, do you understand? Now we will move on to the next sum. So your next sum, you have to replace each of the box in each of the following by the correct number. So you have to replace the box with the correct number. Okay. So see the first sum, 2 by 7 equal to 8 by box. So that is 2 by 7 equal to 8 by what? So 2 into what gives you 8? 2 into 4. So similarly multiply denominator also by 4. 4 7s are 28. So in box what answer you got? 28. 28 is the answer. Hope you understand. Next 5 into 5 by 8 equal to 10 by box. 5 into what gives you 10? 2 gives you 10. So here also multiply by 2. 8 into 2, 16. 16 is your answer. So 3 by 5 equal to box by 20. So now numerator. Now go with denominator. 5 into what gives you 20? 5 into 4 gives you 20. So 5 into 4 equal to 20. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So 12 is your answer. Hope you understand. Next sum. 45 by 60 equal to 15 by box. Okay. So 15 into what gives you 45? That is 3. Otherwise 45 divided by 3 will give you 15. Similarly 60 divided by 3 will give you 20. So 20 is your answer. Okay. 18 by 24 equal to box by 4. 24 divided by 6. 1 6 are 6, 4 6 are 24. Will give you 4. Similarly 18 divided by 6. 1 6 are 6, 3 6 are 18. So 3 is your answer. Hope you understand. Now we will move on to the next sum. Okay. So here is your next sum. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having. You have to find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. That is equal to denominator 20. In denominator they gave 20 and in above you have box. You have to find it similar to the previous sum. So 5 into 4 gives you 20. So 3 into 4 gives you 12. So your answer is 12. Now your second sum, 3 by 5 equal to numerator 9 and denominator box. 3 into 3 gives you 9. So 5 into 3 gives you 15. Hope you understand. Your next sum 30. That is 3 by 5 equal to denominator 30 and numerator a box. 5 into 6 30, 3 into 6 18. So 18 is your answer. You have to be familiar with tables in order to solve these sums. Okay. Even if you know tables, there are chances that you may occur mistakes. Unless and otherwise you practice, maths will not come. So you have to practice as much number of times in order for the sum to come easily and to get good marks. Okay. Now next one, 3 by 5 is equal to numerator 27 divided by denominator. 3 into 9 27, 5 into 9 45. So 45 is your answer. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Okay. So this sum is also similar to the previous sum. Instead of 3 by 5 they gave 36 by 48. Okay, come let's proceed. So a sum 36 by 48 is equal to numerator is 9 and denominator is box. So 36 9. So 9 into what gives you 36? 9 fours are 36. That is 36 divided by 4 gives you 9. Okay, so 48 divided by 4 means 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8. 12 is your answer. Either you can go with multiplying from the reverse side, otherwise division from the same side. Next one, 36 by 48 is equal to denominator 4 and then numerator you have to find. 48 is there, 4 is here. So 48 divided by 12 gives you 4. Okay, 12 fours are 48. 36 divided by 12. So 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. 12 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. So 3 is your answer. Okay, 36 divided by 12 gives you 3. Now we will move on to the next sum. So here is your next sum. You have to check whether the fractions are equivalent. Okay, now take the first sum. It is 5 by 9, 30 by 54. So 5 into what gives you 30? 5 into 6 gives you 30. Okay, 30 by 54 let it be. So 9 into 6 gives you 54. So 5 into 9 is equal to 30 by 54. That is 5 divided by 9 is equal to 30 by 54. So 5 by 9 will give you 30 by 54. So we can say 5 by 9 30 by 54 or equivalent. Okay, so or equivalent. You write in words, they are equivalent. Next see this sum. 3 by 10, 12 by 50. Now take 3 into 4 gives you 12. 10 into 4 gives you 40. So 3 into 4 gives you 12, 10 into 4 gives you 40. But here you have 12 by 50. So they are not equivalent. Okay. Here you see 7 by 3 and 5 by 11. You cannot multiply. The sums are completely different. So what you do? You cross multiply. 77 15, 5 3s are 15, not cross multiply, wait, 7 into 11 you multiply, so you get 77 by 33, okay, so 5 into 11 you multiply, I am multiplying with the common term 11, okay, 55 by 121. So you get different factors. So these numbers are also not equivalent. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So here is your next sum. You have to reduce the following fraction to simplest form. So 48 by 60. I am rewriting it. 48 by 60. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 0. So I am getting 24 by 30. Again I am reducing. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 1 2s are 2, balance 1 10, 5 2s are 10, which is equal to 12 by 15. So again I am reducing. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So 4 by 5 is the lowest, simplest form or lowest form. 150 by 60. I am cancelling the zeros. I am getting 15 by 6. 15 and 6 will go in any table? No. So 15 by 6 is the simplest form. 84 by 98. So I am cancelling. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8, balance 1, 9 2s are 18. I am getting 42 by 49. 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49. So I am getting 6 by 7 as the lowest form. 12 by 52. So you write, 3 4s are 12, sorry, 4 3s are 12, 1 3s are 3, balance 2, no it will not go, wait. 12 by 52, go in 2 tables, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So 3 by 13 is the lowest form. Hope you understand. So most of the time my face is not visible to the audience, that is the viewers. So I'm just concentrating on the sum. If it is a real classroom, there will be an interaction. But in case of online class, I'm just concentrating on the board so that there is no error. So please to cooperate and then follow my video. Thank you. 7 by 28. So 1 7s are 7, 4 7s are 28. So it is 1 by 4 is the answer. Now we'll move on to the next word problem sum. I'll just read out the sum. You can please listen. Ramesh had 20 pencils. So how much Ramesh is having? 20 pencils. Okay. Sheelu had 50 pencils. So Sheelu is having 50 pencils. And Jamal had 80 pencils. Jamal is having 80 pencils. Okay. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils. So used up I am writing. Okay. Ramesh used up 10 pencils. Sheelu used up 25 pencils. Jamal used up 40 pencils. So your question is, what fraction did each use up? Check if each has used up an equal fraction of his or her pencils. So you have to check whether they have used equal fraction of pencils. Okay. So now let's move on to the sum. So fraction of Ramesh used up pencils is 10 by 20. Okay, Ramesh 10 by 20. So if you simplify, you get 1 by 2, cancelling zeros. And then Sheelu, you get 25 by 50. So that is 1 by 2 again. 125 is 25, 225 is 50. Jamal, you get 40 by 80. That is 4 by 8. That is again 1 by 2. So they had, within 4 months, they have used half of the pencil they had. So they had used an equal amount of fractions. That is equal amount of pencils of which they having. That means the fractions are equal. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So this is your last sum in this exercise. You have to match the equivalent fraction and write 2 more for each. That is 2 more equivalent fraction you have to write this it. So I am taking 250 by 400 and cancelling the zeros. 5 5s are 25, 8 5s are 40. So your answer you got is 5 by 8. So what I am going to do, I am just drawing a line. Okay. This is 1 is D. 180 by 200. I am cancelling the zeros. 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Which is equal to 9 by 10 is your answer. So 180 by 200, 9 by 10. Okay. So 660 by 990. That is equal to 33 by 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again 2 11s are 22, 3 11s are 33. 2 by 3. So here is your answer. Next one, 180 by 360. 0 0 cancel. 9 2s are 18. 1 2s are 2, balance 1 18, 16, 8 2s are 16. Again 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. So 1 by 2 is your answer. Your last one, it is 220 by 550. 0 0 cancel. 2 11s are 22, 5 11s are 55. So it is 2 by 5. So I just did a match. They asked 2 more fractions, right? So with this simplest form, I am going to write 2 more fractions into 2. 5 is a 10, 8 is a 16. Again into 3, 5 3 is a 15, 8 3 is a 24. Okay. This into 2 into 3. 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Okay. Hope you understand. Next 2 by 3 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Comma. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. Into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Into 2 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. So this is your 2 more examples for equivalent fractions. So in this set of sums, I just neglected the second sum. It is very easy compared to the first sum. It is similar to the first sum. So please go through book for that sum. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment and click the bell button without fail. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.